Learning the theory of medicine from books without patients is just like learning to swim without water. That's why I believe in a case-based, patient-centric learning where every concept is connected to a real clinical problem. I'm Dr. Nidhish Chandra, a clinical immunologist and rheumatologist. For me, teaching is not just about memorizing facts, but learning to think clinically. My approach is purely case-based, starting with a clinical vignette before each class, building differential diagnosis based on that particular case, how we would be evaluating that patients, how to interpret the investigations, which helps you not only to crack your NEET super specialty exam, but to become a confident clinician. This patient-centric clinical reasoning approach is especially relevant in terms of the present NEET super specialty exam pattern, where understanding the clinical context is very important. Clinical immunology and rheumatology is nothing but an extension of your MD internal medicine, which is multidisciplinary, clinically challenging, and constantly evolving with so much of research happening on across the field. So let's learn, question, and grow together.